Hello friends, this tutorial is all about how to do continuous integration and deployment of your Docker build from GitHub to DigitalOcean Droplet. So there are two ways to do. First one is to build your Docker image of your application on the GitHub and place it on the Docker, DigitalOcean Docker repository, and then you have to pull that from the Docker CLI and host that all. So for that you may have to, you can check it here, DigitalOcean products container registry. Here you can write the CI/CD code which will deploy your image, build image of your application to this repository registry. Okay, so from here you can pull the image anytime, and you can write the CI/CD to automate, which will take your image from this registry repository and will deploy on your Docker. Okay, and this one have free version also, repository 1 and 500. So this has limitations of this, and after that you have to pay for this or for this. So I am not going to use this. Okay, so what I am doing is I will build all the image on the server on my DigitalOcean Droplet, and from there only I will use the Docker Compose to up my build. Okay, so a very simple steps we have written for the CI CD, which will trigger on the changes or the commit pushed to the GitHub. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, this is the sample application we have, in which there is a client MongoDB and GNX for reverse proxy and a server and uploads file for uploading. Okay, and a Docker Compose file. Okay, so what I have did, we have integrated the GitHub. We pushed all the code to GitHub and created a repository there for this Docker Astro name. Okay, and have written a workflow inside the GitHub Actions. So we have basically two here, and this one is very simple, which is of no use. Okay, so this one we have written to deploy on the DigitalOcean Droplet. So on the Dio Droplet we already have Docker installed there. Okay, so you can see we have given a name on push branches main. So whenever there will be any push command used to the main branch, it will trigger this job. Okay, so deploy runs on Ubuntu latest. Okay, if GitHub event name is equal to push. Okay, it checks here whether it is push command or not. Okay, so the first steps starts from here, and its name is deploy to DigitalOcean Droplet via SSH action. So what we will do, we will access the remote server terminal. Okay, Droplet terminal here, and we'll run these steps. Okay, so we have used here Appleboy SSH action version this to access the remote server using SSH. So it will have with host, password, username and script. So host will be the DigitalOcean IP address. Okay, you can add these secrets on the GitHub secret section, where you can create all these flags and store there all the password, name, host and key, whatever you will be required. So here I am connecting the terminal of the DigitalOcean Droplet with username and password. Okay, then after we will run the script. Okay, this is comment section. Docker kill all the, it will kill all the running images or containers. sorry, all the containers images will be cleared here. Okay, so it will kill all the containers, then it will remove all the containers. Okay, and then it will remove all the images which we have built earlier with the last code base. Okay, then after we will go to the directory of the docker distro folder. Okay, and then we have already saved the git configurations there to pull with username and password. Okay, so it will automatically pull the all the changes whatever will be on the main branch. Okay, and then we will run the docker compose up build, so it will build the fresh build and will update. So only a few steps are required to deploy your application on the droplet. So it's a very simple, you can do with yourself with only these steps. So there you will not require any this repository to buy or use the free versions, because free versions also have some limitations of 500 MB storage only. Okay. So you can use these alternates to deploy your application using the CI/CD. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for the upcoming latest videos on the mini stack or burn stack. We will come with the tips and tricks for mean and burn, for deployment, development, and new frameworks as well. Okay. Thanks.